Today it's going to be the St. Louis Rabbits versus the Cleveland Chicken Nuggets. It's a league game. AKA my massive currency. Well, I'm not taking my boys. Okay. That's what she said. Adam, run! Quick! Henry, roll a double! Double!
Oh, what was that? Stay.
Cool.
Ball. Strike. Strike three. Ball.
Even.
Strike. Ball.
Run, Forrest, run! Oh! Tag him out! Stay!
Oh no!
First, second, and third. I'm 11 years old. I can say that stuff now.
Strike. Ball. Ball four. Ball.
Oh my god. Oh! Henry's dead. Henry's devastated.
No! I'll stay.
Just try to strike him out.
Let's turn the camera.
You know what? We're double.
Max!
No.
Go! Max! All stay!
Stallion.
Ball.
He hurt his arm doing that.
Strike.
Yet is crazy.
Ball.
Yeah, I'm a Sigma.
Strike. Strike.
Ball. Bro, what the?
Damn.
Hit by pitch. And girl. Hit by pitch.
No, it didn't hit me.
Oh, Henry, run!
Look at that.
Ginger. Henry, tag, you didn't say all stay.
No. Oh, crap. I didn't say I'll stay. I'll stay home.
Minecraft? No, yeah, Minecraft. Hit by.
Strike.
What are you doing?
Strike.
Ball.
Foul.
Strike three. Okay.